to figure it all out because I didn't learn with an abacus when I was a kid, and so this is pretty new to me too. But we're going to figure it out together. Right here, at the bottom, we can start with the ones place. Going up, this would be tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Notice how we have the same color twice. These up here can be used as placeholders, and I'll show you what I mean by that. First, let's start off seeing how we would count the beads. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we have 10 of the ones beads, really we have one of the tens beads. See, they're the same. 10 ones equals 1 10. So when we run out of ones beads, we can simply move them over and move over one of the tens beads. And the same thing goes on up. So for instance, if we have 10 of the 10 beads, that really would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These 10 beads equals one of these beads, of the 100 beads. So we can exchange the 10 tens for one of the hundreds. Okay, now that we know how the exchange works, let's get to doing it. Let's solve a problem 12 times 25. Excuse me, no, 14 times 20. Let's do that. So to do 14 times 25, first thing you do is set up 25 down here. Now remember, these are the ones and these are the tens. So 25 is really 2 tens, 10, 20, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will move things on this side when we're going to use them. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to multiply this 14 times. To do that, we're going to use placeholders up here. These will be, since we're using with two-digit numbers, working with two-digit numbers right now, these are going to be the tens and these are going to be the ones. So we're going to do it 14 times. So how many tens do we need? 1. How many ones do we need? 4. 14. Okay? 14 times 25. That's what this looks like. Okay. In order to do 14 times 25, what we're going to do is move the beads over every time that we've multiplied it. So we already have it one time down here. So you're going to move it red bead over 1, because remember, those are the ones. So we already counted 25 one time. Okay, so now we need to continue. We need to count 25 one more time. So we can count out 25 again. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we reach the end of the ones, so we can exchange. Exchange these 10 for a 10. Okay, we counted this one. Good. Alright, next, let's count another 25. Okay, here is one more 25 being counted. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count another 25 out. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we reached the ends of the ones, so now we need to go ahead and exchange again. Move them on over this way and exchange it for one of the tens. Oh, look what happened. We reached the end of the tens place too. We can exchange it for one of the hundreds. Move it over, exchange it for one of the hundreds. Okay, so now all we got is 100, but we're not done. We still have to multiply it 10 more times, because remember, these are worth 10. In order to multiply 25 10 more times, we can't, well, we could, but it would be such a hassle to do this 10 more times. Instead, move one place over up, and when you're moving 25, instead of moving 2 of these and 5 of these, we're going to move 2 of these and 5 of these. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we moved it over 10 more times. So let's see our final answer. It is 1, 2, 3, 100. Remember, these are hundreds. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 350 is our answer. Checking for reasonableness, 14 times 25 would be 350.